Hello everyone.
Good morning, friends.
Today we are going to conduct a short English conversation based on our daily routine
So watch till the end.
and speak English with confidence.
Let's begin.
So Karisma, tell me usually which time you get up in the morning.
I get up 5 am.
Oh, that's great.
And you?
Well, Karisma, usually I get up early morning at 4 a.m.
Oh,
So tell me, by the way, which time you go to bed at the night?
I go to bed at 10 pm.
Okay. So Karisma, tell me, when you go to bed, so you quick sleep or you operate your mobile?
Yeah, I operate mobile 30 minutes.
Okay.
And you?
Well, Karisma, when I go to bed, usually I don't use mobile. Barely I use 10 to 15 minutes because if I use more mobile, so at morning I will get up very late. So that's why I barely use 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
So Karisma, tell me, after getting up at 5 a.m., what do you do?
I go to kitchen.
Okay. And what you do in the kitchen?
I prepare the breakfast.
Okay. So Karisma, tell me, in your breakfast, what you eat?
Paratha chai.
So Karisma, in a day, how many cups of tea you take
I take 2 cups
in a day?
in a day.
Is it true?
Yeah.
But viewers, it's not true because Karisma like tea most, and I think in a day, see approximately maybe I take 4 to 5 cups. So Karisma, am I right or wrong?
Yeah, you are right. Sometimes I take 4 or 5 cup tea
In a
in a day.
oh, it's too much. But taking 4 or 5 cups in a tea, I don't think it's a good habit. Do you agree with me or not?
Agree.
Oh, so I hope you will reduce your taking too much tea in a day.
Yes, sure.
So, Krisma, tell me, which time you start cooking food?
I start cooking 7 am.
Okay, then which time you eat food?
I eat food 11 am.
Okay, so Krisma, like usually, what you cook food in a day? इसका मतलब ये है कि आप दिन में जो है अक्सर क्या खाना बनाती हैं?
दाल चावल सब्जी रोटी.
I cook pulse rice, vegetables and chapati,
चपाती.
or you can say bread. So like after eating food, what do you do? इसका मतलब ये है कि आप खाना खाने के बाद क्या करती हैं?
I go to take rest.
That's wonderful.
Please tell me about your daily routine.
Well, Karisma, as I told you, I wake up early morning at 4 a.m. After that, I drink 3 glasses of water. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I do yoga and exercise. Approximately, I spend 1.5 hours for doing yoga and exercise. After that, I take 20-minute rest and then I have my breakfast. So, Krisma, tell me, do you do like yoga and exercise?
No like.
इसका मतलब ये है कि क्या आप जो है योगा और एक्सरसाइज करती हैं?
No.
So you don't do. But I think, if we want healthy, like physically or mentally, then at least if you are very busy, then you must like spend 30 minutes. You can do like yoga or exercise. In this way, we can be like healthy physically or mentally. So, are you agree with me or not? क्या आप
I am
मुझसे-
agree.
So you are agree. If you are agree, so I think after tomorrow you start your yoga every day. You will do or not?
Yeah.
So listen, viewers. Say is announced like onwards tomorrow. Say will do yoga. How much times you will spend? आप कितना समय स्पेंड करेंगी या कितना समय करेंगी योगा?
30 minutes.
Yeah, if you don't have 30 minutes, so at least spend only 15 minutes for doing yoga, but every day, not like one day you did and another 4 or 5 days you left. So you are going to promise like you will do yoga every day at least 15 minutes.
Yeah, I promised daily
Okay.
do you yoga.
Okay, I will do yoga. Okay, let's see, viewers. She will stick her promise or she will break her promise. I will inform you in next video.
Yeah.
So, Karisma, tell me, do you know what's the benefit of doing yoga or exercise? क्या आपको पता है कि योगा और एक्सरसाइज करने के क्या बेनिफिट है?
Yeah.
वी कैन.
We can healthy is body.
ओके.
वो क्या बोल mind is the fresh.
Yes. Yeah, very good. Just keep going. And like we feel stress free because in this modern world like everyone living with anxiety and stress. So and everyone like taking too much medicine. So if you don't want to take medicine, or you can reduce your medicine by doing yoga or exercise, at least you should have 15 to 30 minutes every day for your health. So Karisma, whereas I know you live in a village, and in village you have lot of work to do. Actually, I want to ask you how you grab your time, or you can say how you manage your time for learning English every day.
सब काम खत्म करने के बाद
Yes.
दोपहर में थोड़ा समय निकाल के पढ़ाई करती हूँ और बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ,
Very good.
इंग्लिश कंटेंट देखती हूँ और फिर प्लस आपसे थोड़ा बातचीत इंग्लिश में करती हूँ और आपसे सीखती हूँ.
So Karisma, you do all these things daily or like sometimes?
डेली समटाइम्स मतलब 2 हॉर्स डेली.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या आप इन सभी चीज़ों को, जैसे पढ़ना हो गया, बात करना हो गया, इंग्लिश कंटेंट देखना हो गया, इन सभी चीज़ों को डेली करती हैं या कभी कभी?
नहीं, डेली.
That's a great job, because viewers, English is a language, and if we want to command over language, then we must consistent do our practice like reading, watching English content or communication. We should do every day if we want to command over any language. Well, Karisma, do you want to share anything to our viewers?
Friends, if you like our effort,
So please like, share, subscribe and follow.
thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.